It always sounds like an easy problem almost when you just say, well, all you have to do is take the really good methods and make them usable by people. We should all realize that that's actually a huge problem. It's a computational problem, setting up a computational platform, but it's more than that. It's also about setting up a platform that allows humans to use this in a way that means that they will pick it up and run with it within their structures and within the way they're doing drug discovery. It's also about understanding the language barriers. My favorite language barrier word is always model. It means a lot of different things to a lot of people. I know what I mean when I say an AI model. Yep. A lot of other people will hear something else. So making that platform is not just a computational challenge, it's the human challenge, it's the data challenge, and all those pieces together to create something that will actually allow you to do a much better job of drug discovery.
What we wanted to do with Dalton was something that I think is fundamentally different. What we wanted to do was capture the value of human expertise, modern computational methods, and experimental processes and experimental data. And we wanted to bring those three things together to create this really virtuous circle. And we've been able to do that using modern advances in agentic AI so that we can now have an expert scientist thinking strategically about a project and then use the power of AI agents to orchestrate complex computational methods that are all updated by experimental data as that flows into the system. And this is creating a really, really virtuous learning cycle, which I think is what's going to drive drug discovery in the future and also enable people to tackle much, much harder problems.
So really what you need if you want to make good decisions is all of the data at your fingertips. And that means all of your own project data, all of the world literature data, all of your available computational predictions at your fingertips. And then you need a system that can synthesize that and promote to you what are the most important characteristics or what are the most important properties to think about. And so what it really does is brings all of that information, synthesizes it for you, and then allows you to make the most effective, most efficient decision from a myriad of different data sources. The other crucial bit is there's no point making decisions that then aren't actionable. So our system is built into how you synthesize molecules or how you would synthesize antibodies so that when you make a set of experimental choices, they're actually practically runnable on your systems as well.
We've entered the agentic era, and there is a large potential for drug discovery to be impacted by this. The Dalton platform was built with agents in mind, with an agentic architecture. So what we do is we build the best context for the agents to execute on. This includes all the project data, potential open research data around that project, and then we give it the context of all the tools that it can call. Now, it's great to be able to connect this all together using agents, but you also want to have the scientists have control. So the scientists can interact at any point. They can ask the agent what plan it has, and they can guide it in order to kind of follow a different path. And at all times when the agent runs, it gives you the feedback about what it's actually doing inside the platform.